Where?
Yeah.
Where? So,
This is the move back,
oh, yeah.
move left, move right. This is the move. Hello.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Thailand. And what?
Oh, wow. I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, Bangladesh.
Yes.
Okay, I know. I know about that.
Okay. Where? Your name is Oil.
Oi.
Where?
Yeah.
Where? Where?
Or yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Oi.
Okay.
Yeah. This is my name.
Okay. I want to use you on my body. I mean oil.
Ah. No, you can use me for like a fry or cook like that.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Yeah.
Do you live in Bangkok?
Yeah, I live. Have you been here before?
No. I have never
Have
been
you been
there.
here before?
No, I have never been there. But I wanna go.
Oh.
I wanna go there. I wanna go for traveling. If I go there, then if I wanna meet you, then will you accept me?
Yeah, sure. If we have some contact or keep in touch, yeah, and then you let me know when you come here.
Oh,
I can show around Bangkok.
oh, nice. You are so sweet,
Yeah.
so sweet, so sweet, girl.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
No.
Can you please teach me some Thai language?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, thank you.
What?
So,
What about sentence do you want?
how to say I love you in Thailand?
ฉันรักคุณ ฉัน is mean I ฉัน
San,
รัก
lak,
yes ฉันรัก
san, lak,
คุณ
cool. Okay, san, lak, cool.
Yes.
Right? Wait. San, lak, cool, oil.
Thank you.
Hey, oil.
You have to speak like hello in Thai สวัสดี
Sawati.
สวัสดี Well, good.
Sawati. Okay.
Good.
Hey, oil. You have really very nice hair. Your hairstyle is looking really so beautiful. I like it.
Beautiful. Yes, no. I know.
Really?
I'm so beautiful. Too beautiful.
Yeah. Oh,
Too beautiful.
hey.
Maybe I took too beautiful.
Hey, wait. Your lips is also so hot. Wow,
And then my eyes. What about my eyes?
it's also looking so beautiful. Wow. If you are my country girl, then I would propose you.
Wow.
Yeah,
Really?
really. I really appreciate a girl like you. You are really a smart and good girl.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome,
ขอบคุณ
welcome.
ค่ะ
Thank you for giving your time.
Okay.
Hey, I like your smiling face.
Me?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
When I see your smiling face, I am becoming crazy.
Like that.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Why? Why you feel like that?
Because you're looking really
What
so
happened?
beautiful. You're really looking so beautiful and hot. So hey, can I
Sorry.
can I
Sorry about my joke.
Okay, no problem. Oh, sweet.
Okay. If you see this, I don't have a future, but I wanna be more beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah. So
This is the move back,
oh yeah.
move left, move right. This is the move back.
Move back. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, move back.
Yeah. Nice.
Can you just move back? Okay. I have to go.
Yeah. Okay.
Toilet. Yeah.
Okay.
We can talk later. Next time. Nice to meet you here.
Yeah. Nice to meet you too. Thank you again for giving your time. Bye. See you again.
Bye bye.
Bye.